Hey there YouTube, today we're going to put this GT Blazer through its cinematic paces. Let's go and have a look. Hey, I hope you liked that. That was the cinematic on-foot look, or I call it a cinematic on-foot look, at the GT Blazer in the Bruised Peach colorway from Nike SB. This is the latest Grant Taylor. I think it's Grant Taylor. Let me go and have a look. Yes, it is Grant Taylor. This was the latest, sorry, the autofocus on the camera is going crazy today. So this is the latest Nike SB GT Blazer. It's a homage of sorts to his home state of, I think, Oregon? No, Georgia. Got that wrong. Georgia. I really should know my US states, but it's this amazing, I'm gonna call it more of a burnt orange than anything else. Amazing burnt orange. They look absolutely phenomenal on foot. I've worn these now a couple of times. They look absolutely amazing. I really like this swoosh. I hope you could see that. I really do. This swoosh, right, let's just put that there. You can see that swoosh there, like you can see how it's starting to crack away. I'll tell you what, this camera is doing all kinds of crazy stuff today. So yeah, the swoosh, this is already starting to crack away as it should, and it's going to reveal this kind of purpley red color, which is supposed to be bruised peach, just like the shoe. And if you can see on the back there, let's have a look. Right, I'm going to rest that on my shoulder. Because no one really wants to look at this, everyone wants to look at this. So yes, these, not a lot to say about the Blazer, but I'm really loving the profile at the moment. The Blazer low profile is absolutely phenomenal and looks so good on foot. Oh, why is this camera doing? I have no idea why the camera will not focus on my face today, people. Yeah, so amazing shoe. Hopefully you really enjoyed that on foot. If you're new to this channel and you don't know what we do, we tend to do sneaker unboxings. We do these cinematic on feet that hopefully you just watch. We also stream on Sundays on YouTube. That would be at 8 p.m. UK time. That's about 12 p.m. on the West Coast. Although, given that California is now keeping daylight savings all the time, that might be 1 p.m, but it's definitely 3 p.m. on the East Coast. Come and join us. We talk about sneakers. We go through what we've worn on our feet that week, and we also take a look through the sneaker news. Yes, forgive me looking at this. It's out of focus again. It's I don't know how vloggers do this. They're always like looking straight down the lens like this, like that, and they don't look at the flippy out screen, and the camera stays in focus. I think, SJ, if you're watching this, I think we need a new camera. Yes, we do need a new camera. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, that's somewhere down here. If you want to hit the notification bell, that will do the jobs. If you're into gram and that kind of thing, if you're into the gram and that kind of thing, don't forget to hook us up. And yeah, until next time, people, I'm out of here.